What's up, guys? Max Miller here. Today we're gonna play some Zombie Rush. Ooh, I played this game before. Yeah. I know I played this game, but I played it a lot. I'm good in this game as well. I'm really good. This time, I'm really good. I'm good. Okay? Okay? Zombie Rush, here we come! I'm going to kill some zombies, and that was a new world though. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me. Oh, God. And take this, take that, yeah. Die, you ugly zombies. You have to be help! Oh yeah, I didn't play this game before. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry guys. Die. Headshot. I like chocolate. Headshot. Get away from me! I don't want to be eating my zombie now. Take this and take that. Oh, I like gummy bears. Take this and that. Die, skeleton. Steady. That's it. Take this. Oh, donuts. I love chocolate donuts. Take this gummy bear. Candy. A lot of candy. He's on me. Do not destroy Candy Lab. Don't eat me. I'm gonna eat you. And you. Yeah. Take this. I'll help you out. How do you climb up there? Maybe he uses powers. Oh wow, that's a big zombie. That's a big black zombie. I can't even take it. Use headshots. I need help to get this back up, guys. We're strong. Die! I'm not gonna run for it. Okay. Stay away! He's mad now. Yeah, help me out! Help me out! He's really strong. I'm trying to use headshots from him. Die! Wow, I'm a level 5! Who wants more? Gold candy! Up! I'll help you out, Take this! Ah. I need to find a hiding spot. Headshots. I'll help you out. What? Is that a new character in Zombie Rush? No way. Wow, these are really strong though. Wow, you pushed me up. Thanks, bro. Take this. Gummy bear. Red gummy bear, you will protect me. Anybody else want to get shots? Follow me! Follow me! And now there's a way here. Well, I'm getting level up really fast though. Yeah. Ow! Take this, take that, and this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for me. If you want to, click the like button below. And headshot for them zombies. If you want me to play more of this zombie rush game in Roblox, and tell me else to play more Roblox games. Oh man, I like chocolate. Oh, you feel so good. I'm gonna eat your gold. And headshot for you. Go, this is really bad. Yeah, these are really bad, What is this here? Oh, shotgun. Oh, 50. Let me use a shotgun. Maybe I want to choose a pistol. I want to use this thing now. Anyone? I don't care. Ah! I'm with powerful zombies here, but I'm gonna check them down. Am I the last one here? Okay, I'm dead. But I got really fast level ups though. Yes, yippee. I'm going to be a zombie. Take this. Rain, you're stuck in the wall. I'm gonna take this. You're dead. I'm the great gamer in Zombie Rush. Oh yeah. Wait for me. Oh sweet. Oh, you want some of this? Take this. I'm the best gamer in the world. And that's a lot of zombies here. That looks like a tower. Na 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 na. I'm gonna run, I gotta run. Hey, thanks guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next episode if you want me. If you want me to play this more, I'll see you in the next episode. So, I want to say bye.